Now students, I am taking next one here, negative sentence. As you are looking, in negative sentence we use here not. Just like example structure is given here, subject plus was verb plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus ow. Ow means other words. Now these are coming here. And what is examples you are looking? I was not playing. Object is not written here. We can write another one object also. You were not playing. They were not playing. He was not playing. She was not playing here. This is given here. These examples are already given. And while we write here next one, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, already you know what kind of structures we use here. There is a clear structure is given here. In interrogative sentence we use was oblique verb plus subject plus verb first form plus ing object plus other words there is. These are given here. And in example we can see what is was I playing. Here may be object, game, anything may be there. In number 2, were you playing? Were they playing? Like these examples and etc. Examples we can take here. In number next is interrogative negative sentence also. Interrogative negative and examples are wasn't I playing? What is wasn't I playing? Means short form we use here not. Comes with the helping verbs. Number second, weren't you playing? Were means already here, were is given and we write here T. Weren't you playing? Question mark. And third number, weren't they playing? Like this we use here and we show the structure of these examples of the sentences. Next thing also I want to take here, where to use past continuous tense. This question is arising in front of us, where we use past continuous tense. So very simple examples, very simple process is here. When the action begins in the past times and action continuously continued, means continuously going on in past time. When the action is continuation or continue in past time, then we use here past continuous tense. Example you can take here. There is examples also given in various examples. A cool breeze was blowing. Just like we take here, a cool breeze was blowing. This is given here. A cool breeze was blowing. You know this one. What is through this sentence we find out that cold wind was blowing. Cool breeze means cold wind was blowing. Wind means light wind. So we just like we go to the morning walk in the morning time. In that time we find out the cold breeze also we feel experience also. So this is also means was is telling the time has been passed, already passed. Next one also we can take she was watching television. What is she was watching television. She was watching television also here. In this sentence we are getting here what is was is written according the number and person of a subject. This is also given here. One thing more also we have to take the use of it when the one verb is continuing but another verb is over, means already completed. In such cases also we use past continuous tense. Examples I am taking here. You have to see examples. When my friend arrived. Example just like when My friend arrived. When my friend arrived, this is given here. What are we getting? I was watching television. I was watching television. Like this here given. What is, I have told you in the beginning, when my friend arrived. Arrived, this is a simple past tense. This is in simple past tense. And with the simple past tense also we use here what is past continuous tense also. We can use here. We can explain here. Understood, students? I hope these are clear to you. And you can complete the exercise. And here exercise number 4, you have 4 and 5. There are 2 exercises given here. These 2 exercises you have to complete. I will send you a picture. And with the help of picture you have to complete properly. Okay, we will meet you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.